Okay. Hello. Once again, welcome to Planting with Grandma. So today, on my last video, I showed you how the ugu has been doing, and today we are going to give it the first trimming. We haven't been able to cut it before, so today we are going to cut it. And if you've been following me and watching, you will see that I usually do have a method of cutting. Okay, before I cut, I look at it and make sure. Let me use this one. So this one, you will see, that is, it's growing up from here and from here and from here. So when I cut, I give it the chance to grow up more here. So I will cut from here, and then I will remove it, from all this. So that's the method that I use, so that it will sprout from all those other places, and you have a more bountiful harvest. Do all of them the same way. I don't just cut, I look at it, make sure that where I'm going to cut is going to have more sprouts from there, and then I cut it. Okay, another thing that I look for is to make sure that like this one, let me see if I okay. So yeah, so this is the way I do it. Then I look at it, make sure that where I'm going to cut it from is going to sprout more. So I don't just cut for the cutting sake. I cut to give it the opportunity to grow out more. That's the essence of doing this first cutting. And actually, when I'm done cutting the gourd, I will also come down here and get these leaves. See these ones? Because if I leave it, it's going to grow old and get then it will no longer be yummy. So when I'm done cutting this, I will come back and gently go through them and cut them. See what I'm saying? You see this one is growing out from here and from here. So I'm not going to cut it from here, I'm going to cut it from here to give these ones the opportunity to grow out more. Yeah, so this is the way you do your cutting. Yeah, you don't just cut for the cutting sake. You cut it to give it the opportunity to grow out more. Okay. So likewise, this area. You see this one? I'm not going to cut it. You know why? Because of the way it's growing. So I'm going to leave it, give it the opportunity to grow out a little bit more. Okay, because it's comfortable the way it's growing. So I'm going to leave it, give it the opportunity to grow out a little bit more before I cut it. So you see that it's not just coming to cut, it's also looking at it, you know. This one too, but I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to cut it here. You know, so you see it's germinating, it's sprouting from here. Yeah, from here. So that, you know, it will give those ones the opportunity to grow out a little bit more. And because I don't want this one growing out here, I'm going to strengthen it out. Okay, let's go to the other side. You can pause. You see, the other one I left it because it's growing out, but this one, you see, the tip here is getting a little bit stunted, so that's why I cut it, to give it the opportunity. This one likewise, to give it the opportunity to grow up, you know, to sprout more. So I look at this one too. I'm going to cut all these ones because this is the first time I'm cutting them. And this one, I think I want to cut it too. Let me cut this one here. Yeah. So I will do this throughout. You see, these ones are growing out all over. So I will cut it and then I will have to redirect it. This one, I don't think I want to cut it. Oh no, let me cut it. Yeah. So once you give it that first cutting, it will start spreading. You see, this one is really doing well. But because I haven't cut it before, I'm going to cut all of them. I think I want to leave this one. I think that's the one. Okay. Yeah, so this is the way to do it. Yeah. Just follow me and you'll see how this my ugu is doing. You know, by next week we'll come back here to look at it and see how it's doing and what we need to do. See, these ones are, I want these ones to come up here and start climbing here before I cut it. Yeah. This one, let me give it the opportunity to start. Okay. Yeah, so that's the way to do it.